The atomic is quick and easy to use. Simply fill with water until the water is visible. Fill the coffee holder with finely ground coffee and clamp into position. To get the best results and cappuccino, it's very important that the grind be correct. Be guided by the sample in your instruction book. Place the atomic on the stove, gas or electric, and turn the heat on high. Within a few minutes, the concentrate will dribble through into the jug. Gradually, as it fills the jug, it will start to make a gushing sound. It will come to approximately 3 centimeters from the top of the jug. At this stage, it changes from the gushing effect to a crackling noise. Now it's time to heat and froth the milk. This is done by simply taking 300 mils of milk, placing it so that the steam nozzle just enters the milk slightly, then turning on the steam. Turn the knob 2 or 3 turns. Do not place the nozzle too deeply into the milk, but simply hold near the surface. That is, to the depth of the nozzle end piece. Just raise and lower the milk gently. Air is then drawn in from the surface and thrown down into the milk. The steam heats the milk as well as frothing it, so you have your milk both heated and frothed, ready to complete the cappuccino process. Once the milk is ready, switch off the heat. Pour out the concentrate into the cups, about 1/2 to 2/3 per cup, according to taste, then top with hot, frothy milk. And presto, delicious cappuccino.